So on the bench today we have an Eico 950B. That doesn't work. This one has a lot of issues actually, including the binding post being, some of those are just frozen up. But the biggest issue with this one is no transformer. That's right, the secondary high voltage side of the transformer was gone. And looky there, look, there could be a very, look at all that, oh, look at it coming out of there. Nice leaky capacitors. This one seems to be all original, but not for long. As you can see, it has all the original capacitors in it, which none of which are any good. So we're going to see if we can get this one going, including getting rid of this old cord. I think I'm going to put this in its place, so we can use just a standard old computer cord to plug into it, make it a little easier for storage purposes. But we've got all new capacitors for it, got a new transformer for it even. Thank you, Heyboer, for sending me a new transformer. Nice and pretty one too, look at that. I don't know if you can see that or not. It says Eico. Built brand new just the other day. Those guys are awesome, love them. But let me replace some capacitors in here and check some resistors and install a transformer and see what we can get going on this thing, and I'll get back with you. So stay tuned. And we're back with an update. Got it all recapped. You can see all those are back in there. All new caps, new transformer. On the underside, as you can also see, I added the computer plug. Got it all wired in with the new electrolytics and films. Got everything all recapped and up and running a little bit. Thought I'd show you the inside before I wrapped everything up and covered it back up, and we'll run it for a little test and see how accurate it is today. So, got all the binding posts are all working good. So, stay tuned and we'll be back with an update. Okay, so here it is, all wrapped up back in its case. And I have a 100 ohm 1% resistor in it that we're going to try. I have it set on 0.5 ohms to 500, so let's dial it in and see what we're doing here. And it looks like we're right on 100 ohms right there. So accuracy is there. And we've got a little computer plug back there that'll come in handy for storing it in the cabinet when I'm not in use. So anyway, well, there you go. One restored Eico model 950B. Recap, new transformer. Man, it's a lot of work. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.